Oh, the new facility is really nice. I was only at the other facility for a week, and moving here, I can see that we're really spoiled. We have everything is new, everything is big and great. It's really nice and comfortable.
The facility here is awesome. Being able to come into a new place like this was just a great learning experience, seeing from what we went from to coming here to the new appliances and the new heated tables and the new how they come up, and we can do everything on our own. It was really nice. It's a great place.
It's beautiful. It's huge. It's like a real spa that you would go into. I know for myself, from moving from the old facility to this facility, my massage actually changed quite a bit. Like, I had a lot more confidence, and I know that the clients expect more out of you just being in the surroundings, which helped me be more professional, and it's been a great experience being in the new building.